First of all, we should open the bottom case of each sensor. This is main board of power, and this is power cable. And now we connect the power cable to this position. This is the main board of another side, and this one is cable used to connect two sensors. From the position of CH2, connect one head to CH2. This one is the main board of RX sensor. It has one main board only. Connect another head of cable to this position. Power on and the system will work. Pay attention to that. Don't fix the base at the very beginning. Choose a right position and a proper distance between two sensors. You can use this remote controller to adjust the sensitivity and the working mode to better suit your environment. After adjust well the position and the distance, you can mark the position to fix the base by pen. And you can fix the base into ground. This is the tool along with puzzle. You can use glue to fix the base of each sensor. If you still have a question during installation, find us by clicking the seller's name on the right of the page to provide you online assistance and make sure you 100% successfully install. All your questions and problems will be solved, so no worry about installation.